Hello everyone. Today, I'll unbox and review a very nice and budget-friendly smartwatch, or you can say fitness band. This is Haylou Solar Smartwatch from Haylou company. This watch costs about $30, or about 2,500 taka in Bangladesh. There are other smartwatches available in the market within this price range. But, I picked this one because of its circular classic design, and smooth metal body finishing. Anyway, let's do the unboxing, and see what comes with the watch. As you can see, the packaging is very simple, and compact. Now, let's open and see what's inside. Very good packaging indeed, I'm impressed. You know, good and premium packaging is very important to attract customers. Inside the packet, there is a watch, a user manual, and a magnetic charging cable given. This watch comes with removable band. So, you can change the band if you want. And there is only one button, and some sensors given under the watch. Now, I'll switch on this watch, and explore its features and functions. First time, you've to connect this watch to an app called Haylou Fit. This app is available on both App Store and Play Store. And you can download and install this app by scanning the QR code of the watch. I have already downloaded the app. Now, I'll simply turn the Bluetooth on and connect the watch to my mobile. As you can see, the watch is asking for permission to connect with the mobile phone. So, I'll press the right mark to allow the connection. As you can see, our watch is connected to their mobile phone, and started to work. This watch uses TFT display panel, but I don't think it was an ideal choice. Because the color quality, contrast, and brightness is not satisfying of a TFT panel. Instead of TFT panel, they could have used OLED panel. Now, let's see what functions this watch offers. This watch has 5 built-in watch faces, and you can add more from your mobile. There are some other basic functions like brightness control, phone finder, stopwatch, sleep monitor, pulse meter, weather, etc. provided. Maximum brightness of the display is pretty good, and perfect for outdoor and high sunlight. This watch has 12 sports modes to keep the track of your workout status. By the help of its notice functionality, you can get notifications from your phone. You can only see the notifications. You can't make any phone call or send messages using this watch. Now, let's see the heart monitoring functionality of this watch. You can directly check the heart rate from the watch. But, you can also see the previous hour's heart rate data using their Haylou Fit app. As you can see, the watch is monitoring the heartbeat. I don't think the heartbeat is 100% accurate. I think the accuracy is around 60 to 70%. You can see the weather forecast on this watch. Basically, the watch gets the weather data from the mobile, via Bluetooth. Moreover, it's IP68 rated watch, which means you can swim with it without any tension. So, now I'll test the waterproofing of this watch. I'll use my fish tank for this test. Because of the lockdown, I was unable to go to a pool. As you can see, the watch is working perfectly underwater. So, I think it's safe for swimming. But, I don't recommend to keep it underwater for a long time. If you don't like the included 5 watch faces, you can install a different one from the app. In the app, there are lots of watch faces available. As you can see, there are lots of watch faces available to install. But, the problem is, it takes a while to install a watch face to the watch. I'm going to install this one. Personally, I like this one. This gonna take a while to install, so I'm skipping this part. It's a very nice watch face indeed. Other cool thing about this watch is, when you raise your hand to see the time, the watch automatically turns the display on, so you don't have to press any button. Moreover, the company claims that, after fully charging, this watch will last for 30 days, and up to 15 days when the heart rate monitoring is on. I think it's a perfect budget-friendly watch. But, there were 2 drawbacks I found. TFT panel, which is not appropriate, and the Bluetooth range is very short and weak. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay innovative.